right here. I have so many different flavors of fruit. I have this one. I'm going to try this one first. This is red dragon fruit acai smoothie. Then I have the super green smoothie spirulina. And I have the blueberry elderberry smoothie. I was going to try that, but I'm going to do the acai. Then I have the pineapple mango smoothie. Then I have blueberry elderberry smoothie. So right now I'm gonna try this red dragon fruit acai smoothie. And we're doing this with coconut milk. This is a little thing, but we're using coconut milk. And I have one banana that's about to go bad, so we're gonna use that banana. So, this is the largest container, and this is the medium, and this is the smallest. So I'm gonna use the medium right now because this is my first time using this magic bullet. I just received it from Amazon. Yesterday. I may be a little late to that's why I stretched today. I've been doing my yoga. As you can see, look at my little skinny arm. I've been doing my yoga. And I was juicing. I have a juicer, but the juicer is really small. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to put in. So I have 7 bags of frozen fruit. So this should last me at least a week, maybe 2. Maybe 2 weeks if I just make, I don't know, but I might eat more than 1 smoothie a day. Ooh, this looks really good, if you can see that. So I'm gonna put like half in there. Yeah, we're gonna use half. Then I'm gonna put this whole banana in here. As you see, it's almost going bad. It's going bad. It's my last one. We'll put that in there. And put the. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh, I forgot I have, I think I have, do I have yogurt? Let me see. Oh, that's what I meant to get some Greek yogurt. Okay, enough of that. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of ice in here. So this looks good. We have coconut milk, 1 banana, and red dragon fruit acai smoothie. And it looks good already. I'm gonna put a couple of ice cubes in here. Oh, I forgot. I have blueberries. Let's throw a little blueberries in there just for fun. So I have a lot of frozen fruit. Put a few little blueberries in there, not too much, just to make it look good, make it look pretty. See, this is me. My daughter used to say, I'm fake healthy. I'm healthy for real. I'm healthy in real life. We in our healthy girl era. We not procrastinating. We doing everything we said we was gonna do. We doing everything we said we was gonna do. I guess this should be enough. This is my first smoothie with my magic bullet. Ooh, doesn't that look so good? It looks good to me. So Let's see what a good girl I be. Let's blend it up. Lock it. Lock it and load it. I think I gotta move this ice. Let's try this again. Now we got action. Now we got action. Okay. And it's cold because the fruit is frozen, so I really don't need to put ice in there. But this is my first time making this with this blender. So you really don't need the ice because the fruit is cold, so it's cold. But yes. I think I want to put more coconut milk in here. So look at it. So it's good like it is. I want to add a little bit more coconut milk to it. Too, because it's kind of thick. I'm so glad I got this. I'm so glad. I'm so thankful. Thank you, Most High. Okay, so for the record, as you see, it's really nice and cold. So for the record, you do not need ice cubes because the fruit itself is already frozen. So don't put any ice in there. That's what I just learned. See, I haven't made a smoothie in a long time, so I don't know. I did not know if I should add ice or not. So you don't need to add ice. I got coconut milk because I am lactose intolerant. Coconut milk, 1 banana, some blueberries, dragon fruit, and acai smoothie, my love. That's what we drinking. This is my first. I did eat I ate a chocolate covered granola bar. That's the only thing I ate so far. Of course, I got my green tea. I got 2 of these. I'm a healthy girl. And we're gonna eat these later on. Shouts out to whoever loved these, TGI Friday, buffalo wings. Yeah, we healthy in the morning. We being bad at night, okay? Gotta balance it out. Gotta balance. It's all about balance. So, as most of you all know, I just recently moved into my new apartment. in January. So I just bought me a new Magic Bullet blender. And so here is the finished product. It's nice and cold. We're gonna see what a good girl I be. And it looks so good to me. I'm putting it over here in this cup. I really could have left it in here in this container, but I'm gonna have to wash this out. I'm perfectionist. Oh, let me put the top on. Low-key perfectionist in case you didn't know. Cheers. It's so good because it tastes, you know, it's healthy. I know that the coconut milk makes it creamy. The banana is good. I have to order me some more bananas because I love the taste of bananas in a smoothie. And that was my last banana. But yes, this is the finished product. I am thoroughly enjoying my healthy journey. My daughter said I was fake healthy a long time ago, but I'm real healthy because I love Arizona green tea and I love a good smoothie. So here it is, the finished product. I will be getting my money's worth. I will be getting use out of my smoothie maker. I will be getting my money's worth out of the Magic Bullet. Magic Bullet, if you want to sponsor me, somebody want to send me a juicer, I will use it. I need an air fryer because I moved and I had to leave my air fryer with my daughter. So I do need a new air fryer. It's a few other things that I may need, but we have the Magic Bullet and here is the finished product and it is delicious. I'm only can imagine what the rest of my smoothies are gonna taste like the mango, the pineapple mango, and I do have some spinach. My Uber driver was saying that spinach is good to put in your smoothies, and I do have the green smoothie, so I'm gonna be making the green smoothies and all of that. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. This brings me happiness and joy. Instead of drinking alcohol or sodas, get you a Magic Bullet. I think it cost me how much did my Magic Bullet cost me? Let me see. Everybody needs a good blender. My apartment, I have to get used to the noises in my apartment because it feel like I hear everything and it sounds weird. So my Magic Bullet was $39.88, so roughly $40. I will be getting every penny's worth, my money's worth with that Magic Bullet. Thank you. This is not sponsored, but we love a good smoothie, and I will be using it daily for a long time, inshallah. Anyway, peace be upon you. No weapon formed against you or your family shall prosper. Much love and light and prosperity. And we only moving forward. We're not staying stagnant. We're not moving backwards. We're only taking forward movement only in 2025. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. Peace, love, light, and abundance and blessings from your girl, Sister Azure Love, aka Lady Ace of Spades, coming to you another time for the one time. Again, back with another one. We on some different stuff. On this type of time I'm on getting healthy, getting beautiful, getting fine for the 25-5 or the 2025. We getting fine for the 25-5. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. I put that on my mama. Look, let me calm down. I just turned into the best version of myself. I just feel so alive and energized, and I did my little yoga. I just drank some green tea, and I did eat a little guacamole with the Cool Ranch Doritos, my favorite go-to. My mouth is watering. But yes, at the end of the day, remember to always keep the Most High first. Choose you over and over again, daily. This is a daily walk, daily practice. So once you implement healthy routine habits in your life, healthy routines, I had an idea, I had a plan, but you have to follow through, take action. I want to eat healthy. I have to buy my smoothie. I gotta buy the utensils, buy the tools to do what I'm trying to do. You want to create content. You want to have quality content. Get you a ring light. Get you what you need to do what you're trying to do to succeed. Get what you need so you can succeed and get to where you need to be. You know what I'm saying? And it's not about the destination. It's about the journey. So enjoy the journey. Enjoy the ride. Do what's in your best interest and always keep moving forward in life. We're not holding on to people, places, and things that no longer serve us. We're only doing what's in our best interest, what's in our highest interest, and in alignment with our highest good and purpose and plan for our life. We're on the right path, on the right track. Don't you see I'm getting healthy and fine for the 25, for the 2025, for the 2025. If you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be blessed and see you next time. Bye.